What's up everybody, about Dragonrider here. How you guys doing? A miserable Friday, as it is raining. So I wanted to do a video yesterday, well, not yesterday, last year, about fireworks should be banned in the UK. Now, last year it was a freaking bad. That it was really bad of fireworks, of youths getting fireworks and start doing dangerous stuff with it. Now, I can't just blame youths as well, because there was also videos of people of older doing stupid stuff, and we all seen it on Facebook. I think that's emergency service also been attacked. But everyone's just asking this question: where are these youths are getting these fireworks from? Because obviously you got to be 18 to get your hands on them. I could just say that the parents got them it, but obviously if the parents did that, well, you're a really bad parent if you did. Maybe some shops are selling it on the sly to young people, because I just screenshots of every article and job lot. Right, my visor is fogged up. So because this use these days is getting bad and bad, really bad. And I know that the fireworks where people's got dogs want it banned, because you know dogs are scared of fireworks. But my mate's dog, it's fine with fireworks. I love fireworks. Love to be outside watching the fireworks. Well, watching out the window and watching the fireworks goes off. But some dogs are actually terrified of them because of a loud noise. But back to the youths. I think there needs to be some sort of like a permit or something to stop people from selling fireworks to somebody who's completely stupid, like an adult, for instance. Like I said, there are video of adults doing stupid stuff with fireworks. And have serial codes on the fireworks. So say for instance that, I don't know, one of the youths stole fireworks off their mom and dad, and they got this card to scan. Well, when the card is scanned, it is registered to that card. So when that card is scanned, and it obviously scanned the barcode on that firework, it will attach to that fireworks, if that makes sense. So if the youths did steal fireworks from their parents, then the parents should get blamed. They should get blamed for not putting the fireworks in a safe place or somewhere that their son or daughter getting them. Or there needs to be some sort of law that if you want fireworks in that certain year or sort of year or months, they should do some sort of like checks to make sure that the fireworks are in the safe place where kids don't get their hands on them. I mean, I don't want fireworks to get banned. I mean, I love fireworks, and as some of you do like them, because I know that there are people who want to push it to get banned. But it's shopkeepers as well, selling fireworks to minors. Obviously they should get a fine. I'd say a £5,000 fine will be enough if they're selling it to minors. I think that's a reasonable price and an eye-opener to anybody who's stupid enough to sell fireworks to underage. Don't know about you, but you put your price on how much a shopkeeper, if they are selling fireworks to minors, and how much fine they should get. But as well, another one is if some shops want to sell fireworks, they should get a firework license if they want to sell them. I think that would be reasonable. Have a fireworks license if you want to sell them. You gotta have a fireworks license. I think that is a good thing to have. You want to sell fireworks? Get yourself a firework license. I'll say £500. £500 for a firework license. I don't know what you guys or ladies think about what I have said in this video about fireworks. I'd like you to leave your comments down below. What I say, is it a good idea to shops have a firework license and a fireworks permit if you want to buy fireworks? And about this DNA code that I mentioned, I think I will explain more at in the other video. Anyway, speak to you in a bit.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come